Okay, this is going to be a box of 15 certified, and I found out today that there are box 67. There's hot boxes, one per 12 box case, where you get like a hit per pack or 8 hits. I don't know. They had that going on. If it indeed is true, that's cool. So this product came out, what was it, 90 to 100 a box. Now they're still pretty firm, about 75. Not the greatest product, not the worst, I would say. That's not a very good summary. I don't have any sleeves over here, shoot. Oh well. You usually get one of these per pack, some type of parallel or insert, one or two. So that's base. This is a Bettis to $4.99. I'm not going to do a recap on this one. Michael Pruitt, no idea who this is. $2.99. Vikings fan would probably know. Looks like he's a receiver or tight end, probably practice squad or CFL. Gerald Christian, tight end for the Cardinals, $9.99. And then these cards look really cool. They're not worth anything, but they're cool. Skills Calvin. This is a thick, it's a fatty. It's not the patch auto. We'll save the patch auto pack. So this is not a hot box. Emmanuel Sanders, $4.99. This would be like a $7.99. Mirror Red, $2.49. Sammy Coates. That's not bad. The 2 hits are in. So that card looks really cool. It looks like it should be worth more than it is. I guess the parallels of these are probably pretty neat too. That's a rookie gold team Cooper. And then Stars, another cool set. Insert set, Derek Carr. It's a thin pack. Trey McBride to $4.99 and Earl Campbell Legends. So nothing too crazy in this one. Warren Moon, $9.99, and Stars, Phillip Rivers. As a parallel, blue, Julio to $99. And Mario Edwards Jr. to $9.99. Legends Aikman. This is probably the patch auto. Honestly can't tell. No, it's not. Joik Bell, $4.99. It's an interesting card. I actually think he might be good. Could give him some time, Hundley. And then I'm a Saints fan, so I don't know about him. Grayson, I know they drafted him like the 3rd round, but I think Drew's got a lot of time left. That's sick. 20 of 50, Tom Brady, blue. These cards are tough to grade though. I've noticed there's usually dings and stuff, just the way the foil's made. Tough to grade. That's a cool parallel. I kind of saved the box a little. Blake Bortles Stars. I don't know, maybe there's something nice in this pack. Gold Team Peyton. And Bryce Petty, which it's not the worst pull. It's $1.99 too. There's a little sliver of green in the top right. But I don't collect Petty or not don't like the Jets either. So that's an eBay item. But I mean, it wasn't the best box, but there were a couple of cool cards in there. That's it.